Hi, good morning. This is your friend Han here, and it is great to see you here this morning. And today is about a product that is called Authority Pro 3. And you wonder probably why I'm sending a day after the launch. It's because at the time of the launch, I did not get a workable version. I couldn't even install this plugin. Okay, so I do not ever send out something I don't ever read or test or make sure is as advertised, right? So and the good news is I just yesterday afternoon they finally got the bugs worked out. I finally got a workable version, and I tested out, and this is absolutely as advertising. It's a fantastic piece of software. I'm gonna show you in just next couple minutes. Make sure you come back here right now. Actually, go to the link below. Make sure you clean your cookies so I can give you the bonuses. Okay, you're gonna get over 40 bonuses this time, I believe. Oh yeah, 40 bonuses exactly. And just kind of look over below. You're gonna be absolutely loving this. By the way, if you already bought this and you bought it to my link, please send me back your PayPal receipt so I can deliver this to you. Okay. All right. So without further ado, let's jump into the software. Okay, let's actually take a quick look at the sales page. Some people are having a hard time playing this video, but you know what, it's not that important actually. All you have to do, what the plugin basically does is build the pages like this. If you just go to the sales page, you see them all this. Okay, in a very nice easy format. I even built legal pages too. Now, I know a lot of people are gonna ask me, what is unlimited license? What is the pro license? What is a single license? And I believe there's a part about it down here. Hold on, let me find it. So for the pro license, you're gonna installing unlimited personal and unlimited license. Wait, enterprise license, multi-license. Okay, sorry. The enterprise license, which is what I call unlimited license, you can install install unlimited your personal sites and client sites. Okay, so that means if you want to help your client get this, you're welcome to do so. And multi-license sites, it's only limited to 10 sites. Okay, and singles, as the name applies, just one site, right? So if you got the money, get this, man, because you're probably wanting on multiple sites, right? So anyway, so yeah, so that's what the license is. I wish that, I wish it had a table of like comparison chart what exactly you're getting, right? So that's that. And remember, and within next 5 days now, they're gonna offer this. The regular price is $97 one-time fee plus a $97 annual fee. So he's waiving that all right now to get this, and this is a pretty awesome software. So oh, that's the same page. So once you install this, what you're gonna get is actually a installer. Okay, I wish I can show you the where you get this. You're gonna get a license key, and then you're gonna get a link to download the zip file. Then you have to install this installer plugin first. Then you have to install it. So what you want to do is you want to actually the first thing they ask you to do is run this diagnostic thing. Make sure everything passes all this. So make sure your server, your hosting company meets all this criteria. If one of this fails, he has a message to contact your hosting company. But I'm currently testing this in HostGator right now. The only thing you might be failing is this one. All I had to do is submit a ticket to the HostGator people, and they usually turn this function on for you. Okay, so otherwise contact the support. There is a zip file you can automatically FTP upload, but this installation plugin is designed to avoid that entire step. Okay, so this is also where you update, check for updates and update the you know, the plugin itself. So in a sense, you have to install 2 plugins. Okay, whether or not you need this after you install this, I am not sure. You have to submit a ticket for that. So that's a good question to answer there. Maybe in a freaking answer the question section. And so you hit install. It would take about, you know, good 5 minutes to get everything downloaded, because it's a huge plugin. It has lots of awesome graphic in there. That's probably why it's so big. That's just my guess. Okay, so it will install it, and then the next step you need to do, you actually have to go to the installed plugin. You have to find the plugin name. Authority Pro 3 plugin name. In here, you have to hit activate. Okay, and once you hit activate, you're good to go. You're gonna have extra menu down here, so that's where the real fun begins, right? And so when you go to the dashboard here, this is what you look like. Okay, so basically you can, if you want to build a custom design page, just go to custom builder, and he has a whole bunch of pre-built template inside there for you. Whether it's being legal page, squeeze page, sales page, he has some template in there for you already. And legal page builder, as the name implies, it's for legal pages. Okay, so custom builder legal pages. So this is what it looks like. If you click on that, it looks like a wizard. So you need, looks like you need the 7 different legal pages. So you just kind of build one by one. As you're building that, you're gonna have a different name in here. Like hold on, where did we go? Legal pages. There we go. DMCA pages. So you probably you're gonna create a new page. You're gonna it's called legal DMCA page, and then once you create another page, then you're gonna have to select the page from here. It's called term of service page, and so forth, so on. Okay, and it has the pre-built theme for you. Just gonna give you an example what it looks like. It's gonna be pretty ugly because I mean, right here, this is what it looks like. Okay, now as you're editing this, okay, if you go editing page, it's gonna be interesting. Just want to point out, so instead of just the WordPress editor visual and text, he has his own content builder. So he took on the elements out. This is by elements, right? So you just basically, if you want to edit a header here, you just hit it, the pencil, which means editing. You select image, then you upload it, bang, bam, boom, you're done. Or if you don't want this, just click X. I don't want the banner. Delete the widget. Bam, it's gone. And in fact, I don't want this whole entire section. This is how you add the layout. And I don't want this entire section. Just hit that X. That layout is gone. So if I hit update, preview changes, so the header is gone, right? So this is you got to think in terms of frames, elements, all that great stuff. Okay, this is the whole concept of this. So quickly, I won't have the time to go to every individual module, but this is the concept of this. So this is the sales page builder. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to name a name, so you know which project, which things you want to sell. Sell page builder. Maybe say my first. This is just a project name. My first sales page. You gotta name whatever you want to be. Then you create it. Once you create, it has like a wizard thing going on here. See, step 1, 2, 3, 6, 7. I mean 6 of them. So you just kind of go on there, build individual pages, and layout, pre-built template. Sometimes you have more than just this. Sometimes he has more options than the other. Like squeeze page have 5 different ones. For sales letter, it looks like it only has 1 option here. So as you're building this, so this, let's just name this page main sales letter. And one thing I do notice while I'm working to this is depends on the server speed. If you have a shared hosting account, it can vary. I mean, sometimes if you're that one hosting company at that time is hitting with a lot of traffic or whatever, it tends there's a little bit delay there. But if there's light traffic time, it went pretty fast, and it's pretty much graphic intensive. So obviously, you know, this is where you edit them, each element, all that great stuff. Well, what's wrong with my browser? It's not going down. Let me publish it first. One thing, if you hit the preview, without publishing it, it's not gonna display right. You have to publish it first. I'm gonna pause the video. Yeah, there's something wrong with my browser. I'm gonna pause the video until I'm figuring out what's wrong with my browser here. So one thing I do notice while I'm editing this, there's some kind of delay here. I'm not sure why. Is it my browser or is this HostGator server? I am not sure, but it takes a while to get all the elements loaded. Okay, I just want to kind of point that out. I think the amount of graphic elements is in here or something, but it's not 100% fluent experience, and as I wish you could, you know. But maybe this is just me. Okay, maybe this is just me. Maybe I have a crappy browser, keep crashing on me like this. So maybe JavaScript problems. I'm not sure. I'm a very technically challenged person here. But that's the whole idea. You just put all this crazy stuff in here, and you will actually and change a couple elements. Bing bam boom, your sales page is ready. And or you can build from scratch by adding a box around it. Then you build your layouts, and then within the layouts you add different widgets. Okay, so this is the pre-built sales letter. It doesn't look too bad, isn't it? I mean, all you have to do is replace the text. You're good to go. You're good to go. Yeah, this is good stuff. And I think they used this actually software built the sales page they just built, and you've been seeing it, right? So yeah, see, after a while it's fluent. This is crazy. I think it's in my browser. Yeah, so I'm using Chrome. So I just want to kind of point that out there. So let's kind of like, before I go here for the last couple minutes, let's just say I built from fresh one. So let's get us started. I just want to show you, so you get a general sense of what the heck is going on here. So what I want to do here is I don't want to load. I want to build a new one. New testing project. I want to create a new one. So if I want to build a pre-launch page, so obviously I have no theme, so it's going to be a blank page, right? Well, I'm supposed to have the other one. Apparently I have a problem here. Hit Control F5, maybe we'll fix it. Let me go to, let's build a thank you page. I'm not sure what the error is. There we go. Okay, so let's say I'm starting from scratch in this element. This element. Okay, so so basically you got You got just a different layout you're gonna want to see on the top. So what you want to do, you got to think of a box inside a box, sort of a thing. So this column, this is one column, but inside this one column, I want have more columns, actually more layouts. Now I want to divide into 3 different columns. You know, you have all these different choices. Then you're just adding widgets. Basically, I don't even know. I'm just gonna add random ones, okay? And I'm gonna add search here by button Facebook. This is gonna look pretty ugly because you do have to be patient after you hit the insert. Don't hit it twice because you might insert twice. So you just kind of find the widget that you need. Graphic testimonials. Okay. Obviously, this is gonna look really, really out of alignment because it's not, you know, it's not in the width. So my testing page. So bam, there he is. And see, if you want to editing any of this, just hit edit elements. You can edit the title, the color, the font, the bold, all that great stuff. Okay. So all these settings you can test in there. And he has a whole bunch of other settings down here. You can add an exit pop-up, legal pages, customer CSS, container SEO pages, which I will not have the time to go to right now. But you get the concept here. You just building block by elements, then bam, your page is ready to go. And then you will automatically chain all the page together, becomes a sales funnel. Okay. All right. So this is, in a sense, what is this plugin does. I think it does a lot of better job than the other ones. And the other ones you had to manually chain pages to another page, and this one chain all the pages together and has a wizard, and I really like it. So I'm gonna actually install this on my VPS, not in a shared host, if you could, because this user experience will be a lot faster. And I have to look into my browser issue here. So I think maybe I need to reinstall my Java or something. They keep locking up on me, but I think that's my side of the problem, not as far as the plugin problem. But yeah, so I absolutely love this, and I'm going to be using this for my own sales funnel as well in the future. And I think if you're looking for something like this, you should go get it. And remember, it builds all kinds of crazy stunning squeeze pages and all that good stuff, which I don't have the time to go into right now. Yeah, this is what Authority Pro does and how it's going to really help you. And if you believe this too is going to simplify your life as far as building squeeze pages, sales funnels, all that great stuff, make sure you grab from the link below so you can get all awesome 40 bonuses from me. So, and be sure you send me back your PayPal receipt. And this is a friend hand. And until next time, make sure you grab from the link below. Keep smiling and cheers. And I'll talk to you soon. Cheers.